All right, for this problem, we are trying to solve for the current, which we are given a value of 60 watts and a potential difference of 12 volts. So in that sense, we can actually use the equation for power, which is E equals to current multiplied by voltage. Since we're trying to find current, make current as the subject of your equation. That gives you current equals to power over voltage. Power is given at 60 watts and voltage is given at 12 volts. Okay, 60 divided by 12 and you'll get around 5. The current here is 5 amperes. Now show that the resistance of the nichrome wire is around 2.4 ohms. How are we going to do that? We have a lot of different approach, but I'll go with the very basic. Let's use V equals to I times R. Okay, equation for voltage. Then solve for resistance. Make R as your subject. So that's R equals to V over I. That's 12 volts all over 5. 12 divided by 5, you get 2.4. Same as the one given. The last one is you need to calculate the length of the nichrome wire of diameter 0.80 millimeter required for the heater. All right, here we'll be using the equation R is equals to resistivity length over area. You are trying to find out the length, so make length as the subject of your equation. That gives you L equals to R times A all over resistivity. Now, we don't know what is the area, but we are given the diameter. So we can solve for the area, which is A equals to pi R squared. That gives you pi multiplied by 0.4 times 10 to the negative 3, okay, squared. Okay, it's 3.14 for the pi value, or pi times 0.4 times 10 to the negative 3 squared. And you'll get this amount per area, 5.02 times 10 to the negative 7, okay, square meters. Then, get the resistivity on top, which is 1.0 times 10 to the negative 6. So that gives you, wait, what's the resistance? 2.4. Okay, so that gives you 2.4 multiplied by 5.02 times 10 to the negative 7 all over 1.0 times 10 to the negative 6. Okay, let's do that. 2.4 times 5.02 times 10 to the negative 7 all over 1.0 times 10 to the negative 6. Okay, that gives you a value of 1.2 meters. That's how you get the length of the nichrome wire.